Hey YouTube, Chuck's here. Just been finishing doing this. I blew up 2 power supplies while doing it. Reason was that the power supplies were rated at 23 and 25 amps on the 5-volt line, but really they were only rated around about 20. So I had too many of them. Sitting up. Now these double-sided tape, I put 2 rails in, the earth rail here and the power rail there. As long as you don't touch both of them, you'll be right. There's 20 amps going along here, but I've only got 19 batteries because I didn't want to over push the point. I've got a little button up here. Now this is a really old power supply. I've just pulled the dust out of it. That's all you have to do, pull the dust out and it'll run. Now the other power supply died on me, and so I've pulled the fans out of those, and I'll be using them. I'll grab a couple of them. I'll be using these on the other thing that's over here. I'll show you what that is. So I was panning it around. So there, I've picked myself up a small version server, not the big one I've got over the other side, but I got this for 10 bucks. And guess what? It's just perfect for a 3D printer. $10. Can't complain about that, can you? So if you see yourself a server out there, a server case, so all I'm going to do is pop those fans up the top here, so these will just pop out. Well, that one won't fit there, but I'll be able to fit the other one. I've got another one here. So I'll have that, and I'll mount that up here, get rid of the fumes. So that's better than the one I've made for my CR10. So it's a lot better. Anyway, that's about all I've done today. I have done some stuff with Brett's stuff, but we're having a lot of problems with it. So I'm not sure. That's the first time I've been on screen too. I'm not sure whether I'm going to get a bit more work done today or not. If you see a computer sitting up the top there, it's my old Amiga. Yeah, it doesn't look like an Amiga though, but it was pretty rad in its old days. I keep it because I like those old computers. If you've been into the Amiga scene, leave me a comment below, because we're all hackers and we're hacking stuff about and doing things. And yeah, pretty much it. At the moment I've got a lot of batteries to go. If I pan down I can see the batteries. Yep, see, I've got those batteries I've got to clear, and I've got a heap on the floor, so I'm now back in business a bit. I've just got to change the timing on my board that Brett made, because I haven't had enough time to do it today, because I've been spending a bit of time. I went up and spent a bit of time with my wife because I really didn't want to stay down in the shed all day doing stuff. Yeah, so please leave me a comment. Leave me something. How do you like the display in the background there? I grabbed that from, I think it was $5, but the actual server was $10. So I suppose if you put both of them together, it's $15 all up, plus a couple of spare fans I've had hanging around the place. But yeah, we'll slowly get it done. Alright, catch you next time. Bye.